tawag dyan, Daddy? Evaporation.
Rain, go away.
Evaporation? Rain, go away.
Kita kasi sila mo nasa harap yan yung dagat tapos yung tubig may kumukor siya. Saka maganda. I-off lang ang cellphone.
Airplane mode lang. Touchdown, Tacloban.
Dear guests, we have landed at Daniel Z. Romualdez Airport. Welcome to Tacloban. Time now is 54 minutes past the hour of 7 in the morning. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the simple sign is switched off. Do take care when opening the overhead compartments. Before leaving the aircraft, please check that you have all your hand luggage with you. It was a pleasure having you on board. We hope to see you again soon. If you need any assistance on arrival, please contact our ground staff. On behalf of Captain Gerard Loria, First Officer Roms Lecario, cabin crew Lorraine, Cass, Leah, and myself Nico. Thank you for choosing AirAsia and have a pleasant morning. Guests were passengers traveling with infants and were given infant life vests. Please return them to the cabin crew upon deplaning.